Welcome to my YouTube channel known as Science Math with Brother J. Today we have the exponential equations, which we are supposed to find the value of x. The exponential equation is 25 raised to the power x plus 5 raised to power x equals to 30. Here we're supposed to find the value of x. In order to get the value of x, we are going to deal with this part of our equation. We know 25 is 5 times 5, which is equal to 5 raised to power 2. So 25, here we write 5 raised to power 2 in the bracket x in the bracket raised to power x plus 5 raised to power x equals to 30. In this case, let us use the law of exponent, which is the power rule. It states like this: a raised to power m in the bracket raised to power n. This is equal to a raised to power n in the bracket raised to power m. So let us use this rule of exponent in this case. So you will find that x goes inside and 2 goes outside by using this law of exponent. So we have 5 raised to power x in the bracket raised to power 2 plus 5 raised to power x equals to 30. So here let 5 raised to power x equals to k. So here we have 5 raised to power x. We are going to substitute the k. Here we have 5 raised to power x. Again, we are going to substitute k. So we have k squared plus k equals to 30. Shift this 30 from the left hand side to the right hand side. So we have k squared plus k. Then 30 from the right hand side to the left hand side, it acquires negative sign. So we have negative 30 equals to 0. Obvious, this is a quadratic equation. So we can use any method to solve it. Let's use separating middle term methods, in which we want to get two numbers. Once they are added, the answer is 1. And then the same two numbers, once are multiplied, the answer is negative sets. Let those numbers be a and b, which means a plus b should be equal to coefficient of x, which is 1, and a times b should be equal to coefficient equals to the value of c, which is negative 30. We find that these numbers are negative 5 and positive 6. So in our case here, we have a equals to negative 5 and b equals to 6. We know negative 5 plus 6, the answer is 1. And then negative 5 times 6, the answer is negative 30. So here we have k squared plus 6k minus 5k minus 30 equals to 0. So we have k squared plus 6k in the bracket. Here we have negative in the bracket, 5k plus 30 in the bracket equals to 6. Bear it in mind, since there is negative sign outside, this sign is supposed to change. Will no longer be negative, it will be positive, because we know negative times positive, the answer is negative. So here, factor out k. We have k in the bracket, k plus 6. Here, the common factor is 5. So factor out 5. So we have 5 in the bracket, k plus 6 in the bracket equals to 0. So here we have k minus 5 in the bracket, then take one of these, k plus 6 in the bracket equals to 0. So either k minus 5 equals to 0, or k plus 6 equals to 0. So, okay, here we have k equals to 5, or k equals to negative 6. What we have done is only to shift negative 5 to this side, we get positive 5. Then positive 6 to this side, we get negative sign. But bear in mind, we are not told to find the value of k. We are told to find the value of x. So, return up to this point where we said let 5 raised to x is equal to k. As you know, we have k equals to 5 or k equals to negative 6. So starting with k is equal to 5. So we have 5 raised to power x equals to 5. 5 raised to power x equals to negative 6. Actually, this side does not satisfy our answer because, as you know, putting any number here in x, here we are going to get positive value, while this side has negative value. So this one is rejected. We are going to deal with only this side, which is 5 raised to power x equals to 1. So this can be written as 5 power x equals to 5 power 1. So in our case here, since the base is the same, compare the exponents. Equating the exponent, we get x equals to 1. This is the value of x. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment my video. Thank you for watching.